Our scriptures teach us exactly how to live effortlessly, just gliding through life. The problems all tossed away effortlessly, just like a bird. We've so all seen a bird flying up in the sky, especially an eagle. The bird takes flight, flutters its wings, goes up, higher up, and once up in the sky, the effort is all gone, the struggle is over, and it's gliding, it's drifting, it's sailing. And we can do that too, effortlessly, if only we drop the ego and stop complaining. And we're going to discuss exactly how in this video today. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you. When you drop your ego, when you don't resist, when you stop complaining completely, you don't say that I missed the bus, the train is late, I missed my flight, it's raining today, it's cold today. I have no issues. I have no complaints completely. I accept completely the will of God. That's when life starts flowing. That's when you glide through life. That's when you start sailing through life. And you will see that your worries find the exit route. Let's see what the scriptures tell us about it. When you stop complaining completely about small situations, about big situations, you just accept them. You stop the resistance and you just naturally flow with the universe, with the flow of the universe. The living legend Amitabh Bachchan, who doesn't know of his success? We have often heard him reiterate his father's words. मन का हो तो अच्छा और ना हो तो और भी अच्छा, क्योंकि हम फिर उसकी रज़ा में रहते हैं. In the Bible, this is called the will of God. Lao Tzu called it Tao, the universal principle governing the world. Buddhism, it's called Dharma, which is the universal truth, which is followed by all individuals. Hinduism और वेदों में इसे रित कहा गया है, जहाँ से ये ऋतिक वर्ड आता है, या जहाँ से ये लीला, इट्स ऑल्सो कॉल्ड लीला. एंड द होली गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब, उसमें इसे हुक्म कहा गया है. उसके हुक्म में रहिए. Because when you follow the universal order, when you live in His will, when you don't have yourself in between, when you drop your ego, then there is no more resistance. And worries, say bye-bye to them forever. Do consider subscribing. And one thing more, I really want to know what this word is called in Jainism. Mahavira had a word for it, but I'm missing out on the word. If you are a Jain, or if you have any Jain friends, please do let me know. I'll be much interested. Do consider subscribing. See you in my next. Till then, bye-bye.